In this video, I'm going to show how you can use this website to create personalized anime art to sell on Etsy. This is quite a niche area of Etsy, and to make you stand out from the rest of the sellers, we're going to be using FlexClip's latest AI tool. This AI image-to-image generator is high quality and fast. Let's walk through it together. So guys, as you can see, people on Etsy are selling these portraits for quite a lot of money. Most sellers in this category price their creations by the number of people in the portrait they want. For example, this seller is charging over £100 for a portrait with 4 people in it, which is crazy. Now, you might be wondering why people buy these types of digital products. The answer is clear in the reviews. You can see here that most people buy them as gifts for either their boyfriend or girlfriend. As anime has a huge fan base, you can easily see why some people might want a personalized portrait of themselves. In order to get as many orders as possible, we can even price our products lower than other sellers since we will be automatically generating the portraits. As you can see, this store is selling portraits for around £7 and they have received 173 orders. We can estimate that they have made over £1,200 from this product alone. Let's try creating these kinds of portraits. Okay, so click on the link in the description and head over to this website called FlexClip. Scroll down and then select Generate Now. Once loaded, this is what the interface looks like. On the left, we have to upload our image, and we can also describe it if we like. Then we can choose from a wide selection of image styles. But first, we need a reference image to give the AI tool. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's find an image from Google. Okay, so I picked this photograph of a couple with their kid. Let's upload the image and briefly describe it as well. A happy family in the living room. Now for the fun part. Let's select an image style. I'm going to go for the Ghibli style as it is really popular online. Next, hit Generate. Just wait a few seconds. As you can see, we have some decent results. If you're not happy, you can always regenerate. Okay, now let's try the manga art style. This is another popular art style. Just hit Generate again and wait. I have found that this tool is by far the fastest compared to others like this online, allowing you to complete orders quickly. Finally, I tried the retro anime style, and the result looks pretty good. Now, to keep things interesting, let's try generating an image of a celebrity couple. I googled pictures of Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas for this. I picked this image of them together. Now just upload the image and describe it if you want to. For the style, let's choose Ghibli again. Let's generate. Okay, so we get some stunning images here that look very similar to the couple's photograph. This is exactly what you can do to generate money from Etsy. Couples look for anniversary gifts all the time on this platform. Here is the original photo and the generated image side by side for comparison. You also don't have to just stick to the anime style. The 3D cartoon style is also really popular online. Let me show you some examples of Etsy stores selling similar style art. As you can see, people are definitely purchasing these types of portraits. This store is selling wedding-style photographs, which is a really good evergreen niche. Let me show you how to do this too. Let's select another Google image to use. I picked this photo of a cute wedding couple. Let's upload the image and select the felt style. Next, I also chose the 3D cartoon style, and I found that this style best matched the aesthetic of the Etsy store selling the wedding portraits. Just take a look at the before and after. Pretty cool, right? I mean, this style is pretty close to this one we found on Etsy. If you want to create a similar example for your listing on Etsy, you can quickly do that on FlexClip as well. Just select the image and click on Make Video Now. Here we can also choose which style of animation we prefer. Simply click on this button right here called Inside Motion. I chose the Move to the Top style. Now we have a nice video to further enhance our Etsy listing. Now guys, I have to say that this method is really easy to get started with, but you will only see results if you put in the work. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. My channel is for people who want to put in the work and start being their own boss. So subscribe to the channel if I just described you. Making money on Etsy is a really cool way to get started with making money online, and I have another video linked in the comments where I show you how to sell digital clip art on Etsy as well, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so you might be wondering how much this tool costs. Well, it costs 2 credits per image generation. But don't worry, because FlexClip has some really cool starting plans you can choose from. If you purchase some of them, you will even receive a free gift with extra credits. So don't miss out on this offer.